goal today is to teach you something about gardening. And this is the Gardening Homesteading Skills Global Gardening Collaboration. I'm picking chive blossoms. I've seen several recipes that sound really yummy, and all the recipes seem to be very similar. So I'm plucking. First I was cutting them off, and then I realized I could pluck them easily just with my hand. Picking all the chive blossoms, and then I will take them in the house and clean them up and make some chive infused vinegar. So come along with me today. A little bit of harvesting and a little bit of, well, I don't think you'd call it cooking, but preserving, I think, would be the right word for what you're going to see today. So you're watching me pick the vinegar. I mean, no. I'm not picking the vinegar. I'm picking the chives. You see all the grass growing up in there too. I need to water. I'm having trouble saying the right thing here. I need to weed that part of the garden. Wowzers. My tongue can really get tangled up when I work on it, huh? Anyway, picking chive blossoms, and they're so pretty. You can eat them just right straight off of the chive bush. They're a little bit spicy. It's like eating a hot radish. I like them though. So here we go into the kitchen. Let's see what we do. I have wonderful chive blossoms. I'm going to poke them down into this jar. It actually is clean. It looks like it isn't, but it really is. It's clean. Let's see if I can get them down in there. Okay. There. I was holding my phone and whoops. Let's get them. Pushing them all down in here. Last one. Then I filled it up with vinegar. I needed white vinegar, and at first I thought we were out of it. So I used red vinegar, which came to about here, red wine vinegar. But then I made a trek out to the garage and discovered we do have white vinegar, so it's filled up the whole rest of the way with white vinegar. And then you just put it in a darkish place. I can put it in I don't know if this will fit in the cupboard. Nope, not quite. Oh, it'll work just fine back here in the corner. It's darkish. It's darkish back here. There we go. Okay. There's no natural light back there, and kitchen light's only on when we're in the kitchen, so it'll stay there for several weeks. I don't know, forever probably. But that's good. It'll make good dressing for salad. Homemade chive dressing. I could put other spices in there with it if I wanted, but I'm just going to go with the chive and vinegar. And then when I'm actually making some dressing for my salad, I'll use whatever spices I feel like at the time. But that will infuse, and it should turn a really pretty pink color. The red wine vinegar will add a little bit of that color to it. I used that, but I thought maybe that there wasn't enough of the red wine vinegar to even come close to filling that little jar. So white vinegar is the recommended vinegar to make the chive infused vinegar anyway. So there you go. Chive infused vinegar for your eating cuisine. God bless you. Surround you with his love and blessings. Until next time, bye.